The battery positive cable is connected to the inverter positive terminal. The battery negative cable is connected to the inverter positive terminal. Communication network cable connected to 485 CAN interface. Debug battery terminal command operations. Turn on the battery power switch. Click Settings. Click to select. Click to select power settings. Click OK. Click to select. Click to select Set Control. Click to select Pylon. Click OK. Click to exit. Click to select Analog Info. You can check the battery information. Connect the battery positive wire. Connect the battery negative cable. Turn on the advanced switch. Network cable connected to RS485 1CAN interface. Turn on the battery air switch. Turn on the inverter switch. Blue device, no communication status. Can't see the sock, can only see the battery voltage. Click Settings. Click Battery Setting. Select Lithium. Click Confirm. Click to return. The battery and inverter have completed communications.